If you own a second generation Mazda6, you know that one of the quirks about it is how difficult it is to change the front headlights and turn signals. Last year I was doing some work on my car and I had the bumpers off, so this was the perfect time to get a lot of close-up inner shots that you usually don't see. For a lot of this, you'll be flying blind and just relying on feel, so I hope that by adding this video, it will help a lot of you guys out when you have to change your own light bulbs or remove the wheel well or bumper portion. There aren't any other videos like this out there on the internet, so I know it's important to get it out there. It's kind of a niche thing for anyone that has a Mazda 6, but it's super important. When you're replacing your front headlights, there is a socket plug and a specific position that you need to put the headlight into. There's a little notch on the side of this light bulb, and you need to angle it and position it correctly or else it won't fit in the slot. So here I'm showing a bunch of different angles. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out.